Unique Cuisines Gear Up. This Ramadan Unique Startup Cuisine Gear Up tasty food. The forthcoming period of abstinence and indulgence is rapidly approaching, and true to form, we stands ready to provide an unparalleled experience. Get ready to embark on a delectable journey. This Ramadan offers a diverse array of mouth-watering iftars, accompanied by unique settings and exciting dishes to make your experience truly unforgettable. Amaya. Indulge in a unique culinary adventure at Amaya. The restaurant's Mediterranean cuisine is enhanced by the contemporary art dishes and lounge vibes designed this Ramadan. Savor a delectable iftar experience featuring traditional Ramadan flavors, including hot and cold mezze selections, lamb uzi, chicken makluba, and sea bass. Sayadia. The set menu offers a refreshing Ramadan juice and a range of optional dishes. Diratna. Nothing can do justice to homemade cooking during Ramadan. Diratna is famously known for offering high-quality homemade Middle Eastern food. This Ramadan enjoy their iconic Jordanian mansaf, Palestinian musakan, chicken frika and warek dawali, among other dishes. Be it for a homely dinner or iftar party, they make sure to deliver the food fresh, hot, and on time. Barbecue Delights. Prepare to indulge in a sumptuous feast at Barbecue Delights, featuring a delectable selection of Pakistani, Afghani, and North Indian cuisine, with over 50 mouth-watering dishes to choose from. From traditional iftar items to barbecue grills, rice dishes, curries, and desserts, this buffet has something for everyone. Sushi Art. Experience a fusion of art and gastronomy this Ramadan at Sushi Art, as they introduce an exclusive menu of traditional Japanese dishes. Delight your taste buds with miso soup, crispy salted calamari, dynamite shrimp, salmon teriyaki, beef noodles and more. Open sesame. Satisfy your cravings with the traditional iftar feast. Enjoy live cooking and grill stations alongside delectable dishes like uzi, falafel, kebabs, and baklava. Unoya by Kareen. End your day on a high note with a seaside feast. Savor traditional favorites like grilled harissa prawns and a kawi cheese-topped za'atar flatbread. Suck. Celebrate Ramadan in style with Four Seasons offers for the holy month. Immerse yourself in Arabian culture at Suck, where you can savor local delicacies like chicken mandi and dae nashef, and enjoy live entertainment from a three-piece band from Egypt. Aqua will be hosting an iftar buffet during the month of Ramadan with delicacies like hummus, kebab, tandoor chicken, lamb uzi and much more. There will also be traditional desserts like katayef and halawa bil jibn among other classics. Get ready to take your taste buds on a thrilling ride with Unique Startup Cuisine Gear. Our revolutionary startup is changing the game in the culinary world, offering a range of high-quality and innovative kitchen delicious dishes that will elevate your cooking skills to new heights. From sleek and stylish cookware to cutting-edge appliances, our gear is designed to help you unleash your creativity and cook up dishes that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our gear is easy to use and guaranteed to produce amazing results every time. So, what are you waiting for? Join the food revolution and start creating mouth-watering dishes today. Hello my viewers and my friends, please like and subscribe my channel. If you are new on my channel, the auto channel link is in my video description box. Please Subscribe my channel, comment and suggestion on my video in the comment section. If you suggestion on this video to comment in comment box.